Stand back or to the
Let's
side.
not, they can't see.
Lori,
Stand to the
can you?
side.
Wow, I like
That's not bad. However, I want you to step back for a minute. I'll hold it for you. And I want you to look at what happened. In fact, it will stand by itself. Look over here at what happened to this. Okay. And I'm going to show you something that will help you understand what is not happening here.
Mm-hmm.
It has to go to there before it's right. As soon as you expose the right-hand side, problems develop, and you can see this by looking at that. The hand is fine. The arm is not here. You need to do something about the arm.
Yeah, elbow.
You need to get this all the way down over here.
Oh, really?
You ran out of space,
Oh yeah.
and these feet
They look.
are well, what happened? No, they're melting. Which, if this is the Wicked Witch of the West, you're fine. But other than that, you got to watch it. You got to deal with it. So this piece is great, right up to the point where you're dealing with the legs. And if the legs weren't in here, in other words, if you darkened all that area, for instance, you could do one of two things. You can repair the feet and repair the legs. I don't mean in scale, because the scale's fine. That's not what it is. It looks like you ran out of room and didn't know what the hell to do at this point. Looks like you just ran out of room and started squeezing things. Can I mess this up? Let it go off the page. Then I'm going to block in my foot like this. Just block it in. I'm not going to do anything with it, just block it in right there, like that. And then I'm going to take this down a bit back here, like this. And here as well, like this, to establish some nice negative space in here,
That makes a huge difference.
like this. And then I'm going to start cutting across here, like this, see? And like this. And so that gives some dimension to this, like that. Okay? Then you're going to come down in here and really darken in here. And it's ruthless, but you need to do this. And get this established like that. Get this established in like this. And look at that, what happens. And then you can start messing with it and so forth. But what you want to do is get these light and dark things happening. In fact, take that down a little bit like that. Take this down here a little bit like that. Take this way down like this. In fact, even further down. I know you have the guts to do that. But you just have to see that you're going to need to do that, to start cutting into this thing and working it, looking for ways to make that pop and bounce and all of that. Okay? You see that what happens?
Wow.
Okay? Whether you like it or hate it makes no difference. Learn from it. Okay?